métela de nuevo, súbela y bájala un chin.
Kenny, what you doing?
Aquí bregando con el cristal, tío.
Alright, okay.
Hold this back so he can go up.
Yeah.
There, bring it down more.
You're about to become famous.
Yeah, he's too high. Yeah.
Okay, now we got the quarterback in the back telling him what to do. Kenny,
Dime, tío.
He's up here.
what is that you doing, bro?
Taking out this window. Tío, está loco, yo me voy a matar para poder.
Okay, I mean, you like the other Mexican guy?
Con la cinta.
Con la cinta.
You know, I caught myself doing that the other day, tío. Me eché a reír. I did it, I started laughing. Me lo hice así, sí.
Kenny, what you doing?
Fixing windows.
Oh, man.
Con el ayudante Joel.
There you go. That's the best help that you can. Don't crack it now.
No.
Kenny, ¿qué tú estás haciendo?
Aquí estamos cambiando ventanas, tío.
Okay, hold on. Salió Gerald, so I can't do that. El que sabe, sabe, mira. See? It only took New South. I almost said Southwest. And then he said, that's the airline. Oh my goodness. I saw this kid being born.